Cracks in brick, cracks in block, sticking windows or doors. Settling or sinking foundation, it's a fact. Foundation problems don't get better with time, but they do get better when you call APS.
It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the morning edition. This is for Monday, the 6th of June. Alabama's weather lapsing into a fairly typical summertime pattern this week. Hot, muggy with the typical chance of pop-up random showers and storms each afternoon. Here we go. This is the upper air look across the country early this morning. Pretty typical for what you see this time of the year. We got the main jet stream to the north. Broad ridging here across the deep south. We do note a couple of isolated showers down around Alexander City and Ashland early this morning. But most of the state is dry, but we'll see a few random storms this afternoon, much like yesterday. Temperatures mostly upper 60s and low 70s. We're expecting highs very close to 90 degrees today. There's the watch warning map. Got some heat issues back in parts of Texas and the desert southwest. Flash flood warning, or flash flood watches, I should say, for parts of Oklahoma and Michigan. Southeast is quiet. Here's the severe weather risk later today and tonight. We've got risks north and west of the state. That marginal risk kind of clipping the northwestern corner, but any storm in summer can be strong. We had some yesterday that produced some hail and strong winds across the state. This is tomorrow. Got a marginal risk just north of here. And day 3, which is Wednesday, again, a marginal risk kind of clipping the northern part of the state. The main issue would be from hail and strong gusty winds. But again, any summer storm that pops up in the heat of the day can be strong here. Here's the rain for the next 7 days. For Alabama, the heavier totals over the Tennessee Valley, amounts there between 1 and 3 inches, lighter amounts down to the south. But we say this a lot in the summer. Drawing these maps, it's almost impossible this time of the year because of the random, scattered nature of the storms that form. Like yesterday, had a few spots that picked up 1 inch of rain, 2 miles down the road, nothing. But that's the general idea. In the tropics, that's Tropical Storm Alex just north of Bermuda this morning. With top winds of 65 miles an hour, this becomes post-tropical later today on the journey out to sea. The rest of the Atlantic Basin, very, very quiet. So model fans, let's go. Here's the GFS. This is the 06E run, valid today at 4. And again, the core westerly winds aloft a little north of here. Partly sunny, hot, humid. Few pop-up storms forming this afternoon. The high close to 90. Same thing tomorrow. The better coverage of storms over the northern third of the state. This is Wednesday, same thing. For North Alabama, mix of sun and clouds with scattered showers and storms, most active during the afternoon and evening hours. Thursday, evident showers could be fewer in number, but they'll still be around during the afternoon and evening. Cannot tell you when and where they form. Just watch for radar trends. High close to 90, and the same thing Friday. This is Saturday. The model suggesting coverage of the showers and storms could be increasing with a trough coming in, little upper trough. Not raining all day, but scattered to numerous showers and storms, highs in the 80s. And then Sunday, the GFS and, quite frankly, the European, they try and bring in some drier air. That doesn't happen that often here in mid-June, but it can. We'll mention just a small chance of a shower Sunday with highs in the 80s. And a week from today, Monday the 13th, westerlies to the north. And again, that looks pretty quiet here. We'll go out 10 days. Wednesday of next week, June 15th, got a 591 ridge all across the deep south, and that's hot, muggy, maybe a few scattered storms around. Rain for Birmingham off the European ensemble, the mean between 1 and 2 inches between now and the 20th of June. Highs around 90 this week, then cooling off a bit this weekend, but middle of next week, we're seeing some mid-90s showing up on the NBM here. And the 8 to 14-day outlook. This is for June 13th through June 19th. Cranking up the heat levels down here. Temperatures will likely be above average. That old hot summer weather is just around the corner. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 3 o'clock this afternoon. If you can, catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.
Sinking driveway? Call Alabama Professional Services. Settling patio? Call APS. Uneven pool deck? Call APS. Collapsing stoop? Call APS. Cracking sidewalk? That's right, call APS. It's a fact. Concrete problems don't get better with time, but they do get better when you call APS. Call Alabama Professional Services today.